Hey friends, I'm Nargiza. Welcome to today's video. If you've been curious about blogging and you want to make money online, then you are in the right spot. Today, I will be chatting about blogging, how to make money with blogging, and also I want to share some of my experiences with blogging courses I have taken. Whether you are a hobby blogger or you want to start your own blog, this video is for you. So let's get started. What is blogging? Blogging isn't just online diary anymore. It is the way to share your experience, provide value, and also influence people's buying decisions. You don't have to be a world expert to start a blog. For example, if you are a parent, you could start a blog about kids or parenting, promote related products, and also write helpful content. Or let's say if you provide service such as being a real estate agent, you could leverage blogging to promote your services. For example, you could share insightful articles about real estate trends, promote real estate related products, helpful tips, and sharing your clients' successful stories. You could attract more clients. Or if you have 9 to 5 job and if you don't like it, you could start a blog and eventually replace your income. However, blogging isn't the quick way to make money, not initially. It's gonna take some time, patience, writing more articles, promoting more products, but eventually it could make a lot of money so we can achieve financial freedom. So you might be wondering, how bloggers make money? Well, the best way I think is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you write about product and you include a special link, and when someone clicks on your link and buys from it, you get a commission, which is a great way to start a blog. Another way would be through Google AdSense, but I do not recommend it because we don't have any traffic at the beginning of our journey. So I think affiliate marketing is better. Another way is if you have any service, you can provide your services. I want to chat a little bit about the blogging courses I have taken. The first blogging course, it was from Sophia, her course called Perfecting Blogging, and also her blog called bysophialee.com. She is a successful blogger. Her course teaches everything, included keyword research, how to publish a post step by step, how to write a meta description, and how to write title that gets click. Her approach is getting traffic through Pinterest. She also has a different course called Perfecting Pinterest where she teaches everything about Pinterest, how to make images in Canva. Another course I took is from Enfroy. He has a blog called adamenfroy.com and his course called BG, Blog Growth Engine. This course is a little bit expensive, but you get so much information about blogging, and also they have Q&A questions. It's weekly, and also they have coaches. You can ask questions anytime. Community is great. You can ask any questions. People who knows the answer, they're gonna answer you right away. The course modules include on starting and launching a blog, keyword monetization, and how to publish high quality posts. It's not just a blogging course, it's more than blogging course. They teach about goal settings, task management, productivity, and also how to treat your blog as a business. Also, they include modules on freelance writing, link building, SEO services, so you can make money before you rank on Google. Blogging isn't just hobby, it's actually legitimate way to share your experience, educate your readers, and yes, make money. So if you want to start your blogging journey, I would highly recommend taking courses so you can get ahead. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. In the comments below, let me know if you already started your blogging journey or you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video. Happy blogging!